Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this shooting star LED ring light kit go viral from Digipower. 3 color modes, 120 LEDs, 10 brightness level, 2700K to 7000K, 26 centimeter is the ring diameter, remote control. You can see how it looks. Let's see some of other specs. 10-inch LED ring light for selfies, TikTok, makeup and video tutorials for YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to use it. And you can choose from 3 color modes: white, natural, warm. Compatible of course with all smartphones. Nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside, how we can use it, and how much brightness it can give us for recording the best footage. Everything it is inside in lovely packets. Nice. And of course inside we're gonna find out, and the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Here we've got the USB type A. You need to connect it on a 5-volt power adapter or your power bank. 1 amp it is the lowest, you will get 5 watt, but recommended it is 3 amps to get 15 watt from this O-ring. And here we've got the remote control on-off switch, a decreasing and increasing button for the brightness level, the button for choosing the 3 color modes. Nice. It is quite long, it is about 1.5 meters, enough to do your job. And of course, because you can connect it to a power bank, it is portable, you can use it and outside in a place where there is no power, just take your power bank and use it. And inside we can see this bracket for your phone. We've got some rubber up and down. It will not damage your phone. You can bend it, adjust it in the right position, unscrew this and adjust. Very nice. And there we've got the small tripod. All are metallic. Very good manufacturer, I can say. Feels very good. Everything is metallic here. And here the adjustment, it is from metal, not from plastic. Nice. And there we've got the O-ring. Inside we've got 120 LEDs type 2835. Nice. And there we've got the bracket. We need to install it here. You can install directly this bracket. You can tighten it very well. And you can connect the small tripod. And of course you can unscrew that and rotate, make the adjustments that is rotatable inside, find the right position and screw it back on. And inside you can see there's a hole here. You can screw the base for your smartphone. Nice. And then you can find the right position. Turn on the metallic legs. Power it on. We've got enough cable. And from the remote control we can turn it on. Find the color temperature you want. 3. Adjust the brightness. This is the higher brightness. And that is the lowest brightness. And again, the highest brightness. The same goes for the other colors. You can decrease and increase. And of course here you can install your smartphone. Very easy, because you want to start a video, maybe video with a selfie camera. You can install it here, adjust it. You can go back, adjust further where you want to have your smartphone and start making videos. Find the best of your creativity and create the best, funniest videos or educated videos or whatever videos you want. It is your choice. Oh, and there I am. Wow, the brightness is great, is amazing. It can light up my face very well and start making videos. Let's change the color. Okay, this is the cool white, the natural white, and the warm white. Cool white, decreasing the brightness and increasing. The natural white, decreasing the brightness and increasing. Nice. Warm white, decreasing the brightness and increasing. Definitely is doing a great job. The brightness is very good. You can adjust it and find the right brightness for you. Thumbs up. And of course, if you want, you can choose the main camera. You can adjust all the smartphones at the market and use the main camera. And of course, you can adjust them from the base. Find the right place. After you install the smartphone, adjust them from the base. And of course, you can adjust it 360 with no problem. Find the right position for your smartphone. You can take videos in this position, on this position. It is your choice how you want. Well guys, that was all about. I think it is a great product. I like that you've got many options for the brightness, 10 level of brightness, the color temperature. It is very helpful, and that on-off button, and you can see we've got a blue light, very friendly for the user. And of course, if you want a bigger length, you can install it at any tripod. And it costs only 13 euros. The price is very good. Take some videos and harvest the internet. Upload on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you want. It is your choice. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to be a creator on social media, you will learn that subscribe. It is very important. It takes only 1 second. Press the button and subscribe. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.